Chivayo Splurges $3 million on luxury cars for ZANU PF Bigwigs. By Costa Como. The 16th of September 2025. Spread the love. Businessman Wicknell Chivayo has once again sparked controversy after reportedly spending $3 million on luxury vehicles for ZANU PF provincial leaders, a gesture that has drawn sharp public criticism and renewed scrutiny over the source of his wealth. Chivayo, a self-styled supporter of the ruling party, confirmed that each of the party's 10 provincial chairpersons received a 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series VXR valued at around $190,000. He described the donations as part of celebrations marking President Emerson Mnangagwa's 83rd birthday. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, Chivayo apologized for what he called a delay in delivering the token of appreciation, saying, "My apologies for not having done something sooner, especially following ZANU PF's resounding victory in the 2023 harmonized elections." Alongside the vehicles, Chivayo also gifted $100,000 in cash to each provincial chairperson for what he said were development and empowerment projects in their provinces. He further pledged 10 Toyota Land Cruiser ICU ambulances, each valued at $90,000, to be distributed to provincial hospitals across the country. The businessman said the ambulances were part of his contribution to honor Mnangagwa's birthday. The donations have, however, reignited debate about Chivayo's dealings. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has previously warned against individuals amassing wealth dishonestly, labeling them ZVAITWA, while President Mnangagwa has praised Chivayo as a philanthropist who is free to spend his money as he wishes. Observers say the contrasting views between the two leaders point to a possible rift within the ruling elite over Chivayo's controversial public displays of wealth. While some Zimbabweans welcome the ambulance donation as a positive contribution to the health sector, others dismissed Chivayo as a fraudster using charity to cover corruption, insisting that the flashy spending only deepens inequality and public resentment.